I'm gonna make an attempt at a unboxing video. I have shot an unboxing video. My last one came from it was a Pro Exotics Bumblebee. A few years ago, a couple years ago, something like that. These are, I actually have 2 unboxing videos to do right now. It's actually 2 genes that I've been wanting to add. I am working on adding another gene, so there may be another unboxing video fairly soon after this. The 3rd gene, I'm not going to say anything about because I don't know if I'm going to end up doing it or not. But if I do it, it'll be something extremely exciting, especially for me. But I'll go ahead and open up this first box here. This one's from Luke Day. I don't know him personally, but seems like a really good dude. I should have grabbed a new razor blade. This is my work knife. It's extremely dull. I see a lot of people doing their unboxing videos. I do things at least differently than I see other people doing it. When I get a new animal in, I do some checking on each thing that comes in. And one thing I like to do is I will take a white paper towel, plain white paper towel, and I like to let the animal run through the paper towel, and then I check the paper towel just to make sure that there's no mites, at least at a glance. I know it's not a definite that there's no mites, but, and I'm sure these guys are good enough guys. I don't suspect there'd be any mites here, so. Get rid of this box. And what we have is a really nice male calico. Now I don't know how well that's showing up. But he's very pretty. This is a Flora Fauna line. I had plans to pick up a male sugar. Oh look, he's a little ringer too. I didn't notice that before. Little ringer. Pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see that on the picture or not. I'll probably get bit here, but that's alright. Big plans with the calico. I love pastel calicos. And that was my original, well actually my original set out was to get a sugar or a pastel, and or no, I'm sorry, a sugar or a calico, and I saw a few sugars. One of the deals with one of the sugars I was interested in fell through. Actually, somebody bought it before I had a chance to buy it, and you know who you are. But then I fell in love with this pastel sugar, or pastel calico, and that deal fell through too. We just couldn't come together on a price. But again, I have a tendency to overpay for things that I really like in order to get things that I really like. And I'm not saying he was outrageous, but this pastel calico was absolutely stunning. And I do regret not getting him, but again, I'd love to produce my own stunning pastel calicos. So that's that little guy, and he will go in his tub and be quarantined. Alright, one more box. Hope I don't have to edit this to get it on YouTube. I know I am stammering a little bit, stuttering and doing all that. I'm trying to concentrate. Not that you need too much concentration, but one last look. Now this next gene here is something I've been wanting to add for a long time. And in fact, this combination, because this is a 2-gene animal, that's something I really wanted to add when I seen Brian Gundy pick one up, and I saw his, and man, I was in love with that animal. So I've been waiting to sell a few things and clear out some of my racks before I got one. But now that I'm ready, now that I have a little room after I sold a few things and some of the babies, I went ahead and picked up a couple more genes. This one here is from Chris Barrios. I hope I didn't just butcher his name. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. I think it's Barrios. I hope I'm not off camera here. And it looks like she's going in a shed, so this is a female firefly. Who is full blown in shed right now. Full bore. Man, that sucks. Well, I was certainly hoping to. She's still pretty bright. Female firefly. I'll have to get some better shots of her when she comes out of shed. Alright, Thanks for watching.